Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing some Biore UV sunscreen. So this is very popular in Asia, sold as a set 3-pack, all the way imported from Asia. And these sunscreens are very popular in Asia because they're not thick and creamy and like lotiony like United States sunscreens. So I want to show you all what this looks like. So 3-pack, I'm going to set the 2 aside, focus on this one. So it comes in nice packaging, and check it out. Boom. Ooh, sorry y'all. Yeah, it's just attached to the packaging, and then that's what the back looks like. Let me open some of this to show you all how the texture looks like. But it's more of like a watery light feeling, so I think that's why a lot of people like these sunscreens versus the ones they sell in the US. So there you go. Aqua rich watery essence. So SPF50 plus. Protect yourself from the skin. Keep yourself looking youthful, and I'll just squeeze out a very little amount. Close this up. All right, so this is, you see how it gives a very light watery feel. So definitely recommend this sunscreen, Biore UV SPF50 plus watery essence. Very nice, aqua rich, very nice sunscreen from Asia. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Let me know how you like the sunscreen in the comments, and if you have any other recommendations besides this one. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Later.